All right, guys, so a few of you, or a lot of you, were quite interested in the stainless steel engine cover that I had made for 1603. As you can see, it's now in place. The basic form and fit of it is complete. Everything is all pretty well matching the body lines of the original engine cover, but it's all made out of basically one piece of stainless. There's a bit of welding done in there. And these were notched and then they welded in a plate underneath. Currently, we're just still adjusting fitment and everything like that. These were all water cut out for venting. I think they were water cut anyways. Had a machine shop do it for us. And got those out to dissipate the heat. I had my back or rearmost vents filled on my old one as well, because I was getting lots of water on the belts, because I live on Vancouver Island. It's kind of a rainforest. Have the hazards on just because I know a couple of you had also asked about the turn signal modification I had done with adding LEDs into there. Into the outside portion of the amber. So that's why those light up even more than most cars. So the only thing we haven't finished yet, you can see these 3 inserts. Those are for the support legs. The outside ones. The middle one is for the latch, obviously. And then now we just need to work on the positioning of the that square horseshoe type thing. That's also the handle and the suspending mechanism when you use the DPNY or some of the other various hook options for holding it up. But because, like I mentioned, it's a rainforest here, it's raining today, I want to get it on and test it out. The one thing that we're thinking about still doing, and I'll show you underneath, so you pop it, pops up. Currently, like I said, no handle, so I just got to go from the corner here. It doesn't support itself. Because it is one piece, it does have a bit of flex to it, so we were thinking that we may add a rib down the center to give it a little bit more structure. Like I mentioned, we got that in there, that's tack welded in. Those are in there. We still got the used hardware off the old one. Might put in something better and different afterwards. You can see what I was talking about, the welded piece there. Those are all bolted onto those inset pieces. And yeah, overall, pretty well one piece. Even with the flex that it does have, with it being just a flat sheet, way less rattling than my factory engine cover had. You can see there's a bit of a lip. That'll show you kind of the thickness of the material and the bends and welding, mating of the whole thing. So yeah, very happy with how it's come out. Like I mentioned, going to figure out the geometry of that hook and latch system and pop it in. Now it's closed. Like I said, you can see it does flex a little bit, but you really have to be pulling on it or jumping around to get that to happen. It does obviously have movement, which we'll probably add a rib to the middle to straighten out and stabilize. But anyways, just wanted to give you guys a bit of a rundown on it. Very happy with how the look turned out and the final product. I'll update you guys once I get the little minor tweaks done, but that's where it's at right now. Thanks so much for watching.